Hi, today we'll make this sparkling design with the Kads. I think every design can be a holiday one if you use shiny enough polishes. I'll show some stamping techniques, like mirroring the image or quickly coloring it. Please subscribe if you like it and want to see more. For this design I need a black base as well. This polish is very pigmented, and it will be a mess if it gets near the cuticle, so I'm really trying to keep it tidy. I've applied a peel-off base beforehand, because both polishes I will use today contain a lot of glitter, and I really don't want to have a lot of problems taking it off later. Black base will add a lot of contrast to sheer polishes I'll use after it. Let's take a look at the bottles. Despite being quite different in hue, they're well united by the holographic glitter. I'm applying the blue one to the first two fingers. I wasn't patient enough, and the black base hasn't dried completely, so it got smudged a bit. But I'll just add it off the camera. The glitter and flakes, oh, it's pretty. And the red polish for the remaining two fingers. There is a lot of shimmer in it, and it looks super interesting. It got on the cuticle, but I'll fix it off the camera. It's with a bit of stamping already. Forgot to film how it looks. Polishes contain a lot of glitter, so they have an uneven finish. I'll start with this plate. There are very interesting pictures, but we'll need this cat. I won't record it anymore, but every time before stamping I clear my plate. Our first cat will be white. Just as usual, I'm scraping off the excess of stamping polish and picking up the image. I'm removing everything I don't need on my stamper off camera. I'll show how to do it later. There is a little dot in the corner missing. Let's add it. I removed literally all I could from the brush. That way I was able to add a tiny dot. Now let's color the eyes in blue the same way. It looks a bit creepy, but it's the back side. Front side looks okay. Let's finally stamp it. The other cat will be silver, and we'll need to mirror it so they, look at each other. I'm picking the image up with my spare stamper. It's Moyu clear stamper, and it has a non-sticky head, and I just stamp it on my usual sticky stamper. Later I'll have to do it again. You'll have a better look there. This cat will have teal eyes. Now I'm trying to pick up a piece of another image, and it's not cooperating at all, and I have to clean it with a lint remover. It might mean our polish is already too dry after our mirroring, To make it actually transfer for sure, I quickly apply a sticky base to my nail. It transferred successfully. Well, not really successfully, I missed a bit, but I'll just fill it in with the same polish. Actually, I always fill the tip of my nail with this print. Now we'll switch to another plate with a lot of hearts. Our cats will be conversing and will need this bubble. It's the same silver color as our cat was. You can pick up the fresh paint literally with anything. Our silver cat's talking about love. The white cat will be answering. We need to mirror the bubble for that. I'm picking it up with a non-sticky stamper again and stamping it on my sticky one. This cat will be talking about something different, so I'm picking the heart up with a brush handle. And I need a lint roller again. I was lucky and it transferred without a sticky base. I don't really like the shape of the original heart, so let's make it different and red this time. I'm taking ages to aim. That's not how I stamp. And our white cat will be talking about something delicious. Fish. This fish kinda hangs on the rope. It won't do. But it's the best fish in size and shape that I have, so I'll just cut the rope out with my stamper. My movements weren't precise and it got wrinkled, but it's fine. I'm applying protective top for stamping. It creates a layer which won't be dissolved by a quick dry top later. Otherwise, stamping may get smudged. And the top coat, it unites everything nicely. Holographic glitter is truly the star of this design. I had to apply a couple of top coats. Glitter makes these polishes almost sandy. They need a thick layer of top coat. So, do you like it? Would you wear it on holidays? I think F.U.N lacquer polishes are just stunning. Like, subscribe, and stamp something cute. I like when there's a story to the design. I think that's what makes them memorable. And I just love to stamp animals. Had a lot of fun making this design.